A new Kickstarter has appeared for a portable turntable with a removable Bluetooth smart speaker. Called Duo, the hybrid design turns the idea of a traditional disc player into a compact and multifunctional system. It's a bright and fun unit that seems like IKEA expanded its teenage engineering line to include a sewing machine. The upper part has the turntable, which has a reduced plate size of only 3.2 inches in diameter, 1/4 the size of a standard plate. It uses a belt drive and the company says it has a unique rotational stabilization to help minimize vibrations and has a flutter effect of less than 0.9%. The player also comes with an Audio-Technica AT3600L cartridge and with a spring instead of a counterweight that offers a tracking force of 2.5 grams. As for the speaker, it has a range of 10 to 15 meters and, when stored, it slides very well under the turntable to create a discharge unit. It has a Qualcomm CSR8670 chip and uses the aptX Bluetooth compression protocol, which supports high-definition audio with a sample rate of up to 48 kHz and sample resolutions of up to 24 bits.